You know what? The average self made millionaire wakes up before 6 a.m., reads for at least 30 minutes a day, and tracks every single dollar they spend. Meanwhile, most people check their phone first thing in the morning, skip breakfast, and have no idea how much they spent last week. The difference between financial struggle and financial freedom isn't luck. It isn't even income, it's habits. Small, repeated actions performed daily that compound over years into wealth. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to walk through the 7 daily habits practiced by financially successful people across the world, from self made entrepreneurs to disciplined investors. These aren't get rich quick tricks, but they are boring, repeatable, but they work. Without getting delay, let's get started. Before we start, I want to be clear about something. Financial success rarely comes from one big decision, but it comes from a system of small decisions, repeated consistently over months and years. Research on self made millionaires, including the studies by author Thomas Corley, who spent 5 years tracking their daily routines of wealthy individuals, found that rich people and poor people have dramatically different daily habits. Not different luck, but different habits. So, if you're ready to take notes, grab a pen because we are going to cover the 7 of them in order, starting with how successful people begin their day. Habit number 1. Financially successful people wakes up early and they protect their first hour of their day fiercely. This isn't about hustle culture or dragging rights. It's about control. Early morning hours before emails, notifications and other people demand flood in are the only hours of the day are truly yours. Many high net worth individuals use this time for one of three things: planning their day, reviewing their finances, and the personal developments like reading, exercising, journaling. Here's why this matters financially. Decision fatigue is real. More decision you make throughout the day, the worse your judgment become. By tracking your most important financial or the business's decisions early while your willpower is fresh, you make better choices. And that's better choices will compound one day. You don't need to wake up at 4:30 a.m. Start by waking up just 30 minutes earlier than usual, and that time to plan your day or to review your budget before the noise of the world gets to you. Habit number 2. They track their money obsessively. This might be least glamorous habit on the list, and it's also one of the most important. Financially successful people almost universally know within a reasonable limit of the close margin exactly how much they earn, spend, save, and invest. This isn't about the restriction, it's about the awareness. You cannot manage what you don't measure. A person who tracks their spending daily or weekly catches a problem like a subscription they forgot to cancel, a category of spending, long before it becomes a crisis. Tracking also creates a psychological effect. When you see your net worth or savings rate written down regularly, you become more motivated to protect and grow it. It turns an abstract goal into a visible scoreboard. So, pick a tool, a simple spreadsheet, or a budgeting app, and spend at least 5 minutes every evening logging what you have spent on the day. Just 5 minutes. It's the entire habit. Habit number 3. They pay themselves first. This is a phrase popularized by the personal finance classics, and it remains one of the most powerful idea in wealth building. Instead of spending money and saving whatever happens to be left over, financially successful people flip the order. They save, invest first, then spend what remains. Practically, this often means automating a percentage of every paycheck directly into a retirement account, an index fund, or a brokerage account. Before that, money ever touches a checking account where it could be spent. The reason this works isn't complicated. It removes willpower from the equation entirely. You don't need discipline to resist spending money you never see. So, set up an automatic transfer, even if it's small percentage, that moves money into a savings or investments that same day you are paid. Automate the habit. So, it happens whenever you feel motivated or not. Habit number 4. They read daily, and specifically, they read to learn. Thomas Corley's research found that a significant majority of the wealthy individuals read for self improvement or professional development for at least 30 minutes a day. compared to small fraction of people below the poverty line. This includes industry news, biographies of people they admire, books on investing, negotiation, or psychology. The specific topic matters less than the habit itself. Consistently feeding your mind with information gives you an edge of the ideas, new strategies, and an awareness of the opportunities where other people simply don't see. So, replace 15 minutes of scrolling with 15 minutes of reading a book, where it will be a newsletter or a long form of article in your feed. Small, consistent input creates a large output. Habit number 5, they write their goals down and revisit them often. There's a meaningful difference between having a vague wish, like I want to be financially free, and having a written specific goals, like I want to save, for example, 20,000 by this December, and investing in a diversified portfolio. Financially successful people tend to set goals with actual numbers and actual deadlines. They break large goals into smaller milestones and they review their progress regularly, often weekly or monthly. This habit works because it turns an abstract desire into a concrete plan your brain can actually act on. Vague goals produce vague effort. Specific goals produce specific action. Take 15 minutes right now, pause the video if you need to, and write down one specific financial goal with the number and the date attached to it. Habit number 6, they actively build more than one source of income. Relying entirely on a single paycheck is one of the most common financial vulnerabilities. Successful individuals, even those with a demanding full-time jobs, tend to develop additional income streams overnight: side business, freelance work, dividend paying investment, or rental income. This isn't about working around the clock, it's about reducing the risk and accelerating wealth. If one income stream slows down, others continue, and each additional stream, however small, adds to your total saving and investing capacity. You don't need to start a business tomorrow. Just start by identifying one skill you already have that could realistically generate a small amount of extra income and take one step towards this week. Habit number 7, and this one surprises people. They practice gratitude and they think in decades, not in days. Financial success is rarely instant, it's built through what's often called delayed gratification. The ability to sacrifice a smaller reward now for a much larger reward later. This requires patience, and the patience is easier to sustain when it's paired with genuine appreciation and for what you already have. Many wealthy individuals report a consistent gratitude practice, reflecting on what's going well rather than fixating only on what's missing. This mindset reduces the impulsive spending driven by the comparison or the dissatisfaction, and it reinforces a long term perspective, understanding what wealth is built over years of consistent habit, not a single lucky break. So each evening, write down one thing you are financially grateful for. It sounds simple, but it trains your brain to feel secure of what you have, which makes a long-term patience far easier to sustain. Let's quickly recap the 7 daily habits we covered. Number 1, waking up early and protect your first hour. Number 2, track every rupees you spend. Number 3, pay yourself first through automated investing. Number 4, read daily to keep learning. Number 5, set clear returns, specific goals. Number 6, build multiple streams of income. And finally, number 7, practice gratitude and long term thinking. None of these habits are complicated. None of them require a large starting income. What they require is consistency, doing them daily even when progress feels invisible. Here's the truth: you don't need to adopt all 7 habits overnight. Just pick one from this list, the one that felt most relevant to you, and commit to practicing it for the next 30 days. Financial success isn't built in a single dramatic moment. It's built in the ordinary, repeated choices you make every single day. If you found this video valuable, hit subscribe for the more practical and no nonsense video on building wealth and financial discipline. Drop a comment below and let me know which one of these 7 habits you are going to start with today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.